Hello everyone. So for today's video, I'll be doing my third micro needling session. And don't mind the some redness on my face because I also did remove my blackheads and whiteheads. Alright, so this is the Banisher 2.0 or the Derma Stamp tool. And then before using it, I'll be disinfecting it using isopropyl alcohol for 5 minutes. And then after disinfecting it, I will let it air dry for 2 minutes. And then before we start microneedling, I will wipe my skin with an alcohol and let it dry. And voila! Let's start my microneedling. And this is the right way to do it. So you have to press the Banisher tool and then up and then rotate and then press again. Alright, so you just have to repeat that 3 to 5 times on each area. So I am pressing it 5 times on each area. And by the way guys, the Banisher tool, the length of its needles is 0.5 millimeter. Alright, and then I'm done with the one side of my cheeks. Alright, and then I'll be doing the other side. And then same thing, so press, lift, twist, and then press again. Alright, so let's count how many times I'm pressing it. So that's the third time, and then this is the fourth, and then the fifth. And then, ta-da! So I'm done with both of my cheeks. So that's how it looks like. Alright, so I'll be doing it on my nose as well. So let's count. So that's 1, and then 2, twist, and then 3, twist, 4, and then 5. Perfect. Alright, and then the other side. So let's count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Alright, very good. So we all know now how to count 1 to 5. Alright, so kidding aside, so I'll be doing now my temples and then the rest off cam. And tada! So I'm done with my micro needling, and then after that I'll be using Banish vitamin C cream. So you can also use Banish serum if you want to. But I prefer Banish vitamin C cream. So this is for faster wound healing, and it will boost the collagen production on our face. Alright, so that's it everyone. So don't forget to like and share this video and comment if any. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.